Once upon a time, in the whimsical world of Bop-Bop-Boppy, there danced a bold broccoli named Billy, wearing his bright blue boots. Billy loved to boogie on the rolling hills of rainbow rice and breakdance with the bumblebees. His motto? Just have fun, eat healthy, and dance your socks off. One starry night, as Billy was munching on Sparksprinkle Sandwiches, he saw a shooting star. But it wasn't a star. It was a spaceship of giggling gummy bears. They had traveled all the way from Mars for the Interplanetary Jamboree. But their gummy engine had gummed up, and they crash-landed on Bop-Bop-Boppy. Billy, fueled by his sandwich power, offered to help fix their spaceship. Working together with a spunky spatula named Sally and an acrobat apple named Adam, Billy unveiled his secret skill, problem-solving dance moves. With a flip, twist, and the famous broccoli spin, the spaceship was fixed. The gummy bears offered Billy a trip to Mars as a thank you gift. And off they zoomed across the galaxy. As Billy danced on the Martian candy craters with his new friends, he noticed they were feeling sluggish. Their gummy tummies needed something healthy. So Billy shared his Sparksprinkle Sandwiches. And voila! The bears danced wilder and happier than ever. Meanwhile, the stars started twinkling their hilarious bedtime jokes like, "Why didn't the sun go to school? Because he was too bright." Quote. So, one by one, the bears nestled into magic marshmallow beds, sleeping soundly and smiling. Billy, missing his home, decided it was high time to hug the huggable talking trees of Bop-Bop-Boppy. So, with a galactic groovy dance move, he brought the spaceship back home. Upon returning, Billy discovered the bumblebees buzzing a bouncy welcome home song. Touched by this gesture, Billy led them all in an evening dance that ended with a colossal cabbage conga line. The bold broccoli had learned that dancing, laughing, and being kind could take you to new heights. As he hugged his tree, kissed Sally's sizzling handle, and waved at his acrobat friend, Billy couldn't help but smile at the magical chaos he lived in. His heart told stories of a place where anything was possible, but good values and habits remain the best magic of all.